Fundamental analysis. This method involves analyzing the financial data of the company, such as revenue, earnings, and assets, to estimate the value of the share. This approach helps in identifying the intrinsic value of the share by comparing the company's financial ratios with its peers in the industry. Technical analysis. In this method, the focus is not on the fundamental data, but on the historical price movement and trading patterns of the share. Technical analysts analyze price trends, chart patterns, and trading volumes to predict future share prices. Market sentiment analysis. This approach focuses on analyzing the overall market sentiments and other market factors that affect the share price. Factors such as economic indicators, political factors, and supply and demand of the share can impact the price. It's important to note that share prices are influenced by a range of factors that can go beyond any particular method of estimation. Factors like investor sentiment, news relating to the company or sector, and global economic factors can all play a role in the price of shares. It's important for investors to do their own research and consider multiple factors before making any investment decisions.